Hi everyone, so today we can discuss about Abacus 2 into 1 multiplications using the Abacus tool. So let us start. First, we have to clear our Abacus tool with our thumb and index finger. Then let's start. So, today we are going to learn about 2 into 1 multiplications. 99 into 9. So first we have to multiply the ones digit number located after in the multiplication with the tens place number. So 9 into 9 equal to 81. 81. 1 we have to keep in the tens place and 8 should be in the hundreds place. 810. Then again we should multiply 9 into 9. 81. So we have to add 81 to the given number. 81. So we got the answer 891. Same like the process. 6 into 8, 48. 7 into 6, 42. Answer is 542. 37 into 4. 4 into 3, 12. 7 into 4, 28. Answer is 148. 80 into 7. In this multiplication problem, we have to just multiply 7 into 8, which is 56. So we have to keep 50 in the hundreds place and 6 in the 60 place, tens place. So we got the answer 560. 29 into 3. 3 into 2, 6. When you get a single digit number, what you should do is that you should add it to the tens digit number. So we got 3 into 2, 6. 6 located in tens place. And then 9 into 3, 27. We have to add 20 as usual in the tens place and then 7 in the ones place. Answer we got as 87. 77 into 2. 2 into 7, 14. So 1 in the hundreds place and 4 in the 40th place, tens place. And then again we got 14. 7 into 2, 14. So 14. We got the answer 154. 66 into 5. 5 into 6, 30. And again we got 5 into 6, 30. So we can easily add in the tens place. We got the answer 330. 94 into 3. 3 into 9, 27. So 2 in the hundreds place and 7 in the tens place. Then 4 into 3, 12. So 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Answer 282. 12 into 3. We actually know, but let's try. 3 into 1 equal to 3. As usual, we have to add 3 into 1, 3 in the tens place. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. In this position, you should not add 2 into 3, 6 in the tens place because it might be wrong. So 2 into 3 equal to 6 in the ones place. We got the answer 36. 6 into 24 into 6. 6 into 2, 12. So 12. 1 in the hundreds place and 2 in the tens place. And then 4 into 6, 24. 2 and 4. We got the answer 144. Thank you everyone, and then we can learn about without 2 multiplication, 2 into 1 digits multiplication.
Ninety-seven into 6.
97 into 6. 6 into 9, 54. And 6 into 7, 42. 582.
28 into 9.
28 into 9. 9 into 2, 18. 8 into 2 equal to 16.